Parsons Rocks, the place for pavers.
Hi, I'm Tim with Parsons Rocks, and today we're going to be installing pavers in my backyard, and we're going to be walking you through step by step how it's done. The step we're doing right now behind me is setting the grade for the pavers. We're going to put this Type 2 in and compact it within 1 inch of the final grade. That grade is going to be dropping 1 inch every 4 feet, which is going to give us a 2% grade, so the water will be directed around the house, away from any foundation issues or anything like that, and that will avoid any puddling and any possible settling issues that we might have. So the first step is going to be compacting this, the next step will be leveling the sand, and here we go. We are on to the next step, which is the leveling sand. Behind me you can see they've got 2 steel rails running parallel through the sand, which they set the height of those rails by placing a paver on top and making sure it finishes right where the string rests. That will enable them, once they drag the 2x4 across, to level out one big area at a time. When you're doing it yourself, this step alone will save you a ton of time. The next step is the fun part, where we get to lay the pavers. We're going to lay the pavers in a pattern throughout the prepared area. We're going to save the cuts to the last, and we're going to repeat this process of leveling the sand and laying the pavers throughout the yard, so we're going to see a lot of progress happen rapidly next. That was the fun part. Now the detail work comes in the edges here, where the pattern runs into the edge. Every pattern you're going to have to make cuts. Here you can see where the pavers have been cut to fit, and the larger pieces here are set on the outside in a soldier row course to hold the smaller pieces in. The next and final step on this is just sweeping this sand material into the gaps, which will help keep the gaps consistent and prevent the pavers from shifting, while still allowing the water to drain through the pavers. Our project is complete. Our backyard has been transformed, and we now have one big usable space where our kids can go out and play outside. We've also incorporated Pavestone's retaining walls to build a flower bed back here. We use the same products for a planter box, as well as Pavestone's fireplace kit for a centerpiece in the backyard where we can entertain. All of these products are available at Parsons Rocks, and anything we have is available to be viewed online at our website, parsonsrocks.com. Come and see us.